What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video I will show you another trading strategy. This time it is a strategy that one of my subscribers asked me to make a video about. So if you have a strategy you want to backtest from me, let me know in the comments and I will make a video about it. So I would say we will start right away with this setup. So this is how your chart will look like at the end. For this backtest we are using the Euro-US dollar market in the 1 minute time frame with the high Kinashi candles. So I would say I will remove all indicators and all drawings, and let's start with our setup together. So the first indicator that we are looking for is the Coral Trend indicator by Lazy Beer, this one. Let's load it in. We are going to make some changes to it. So in the inputs, we will change the smoothing period to 26 and activate the color bars. Then we want to go to the style section and we uncheck the trend and the background color. So like this, click OK. And this is our first indicator. So this indicator will basically have the function as a buy and sell indicator, but as always, we need a second indicator for confirmation. So the second indicator we are looking for is the swing arm ATR trend indicator, this one, by, you can see the name here, by VSN FND. So let's load it in as well. And I know at the beginning it looks a little bit messy, but let's clean it up now. So for this indicator, we want in the style section, we want to uncheck everything until the plot's background, the last one. So we start with it, uncheck all boxes over here. I will do this very quick for you. And we only want to leave the plot's background, the very last one, active. In the inputs, we want to change the ATR period to 12 and the ATR factor to 6. Click OK, and that's our second indicator. Let's load in our third indicator. So the third indicator we're looking for is the angle attack follow line indicator, this one. This is the indicator we're looking for. Load it in. And also here we are going to make some changes. So in the input section, the period we want to change from 21 to 50. So the period to 50. And in the style, we want to uncheck everything until the first angle follow line. So let's do this very quick. And once we have done this, we also want to change the color to green and to our red. So as this one is already red, this is fine. Click OK and we are good to go. So this is basically our setup and how it will look at the end. So what are now the rules for a long trade? For a long trade, we are looking first, we are looking for a green swing arm ATR. So basically this one has to be green. Second, we are looking for a green AAF candle. So AAF, this one, the angle attack follow line. We are looking for a green angle of attack follow line. So this line has to be green as well. And third, and this will be our real trigger now, is when our chart candles changes from red to green. And as you guys can see here, we have two different reds in this case. So we have the real green candles, then we have the red candles, as you can over here, and then you have green candles, but where the outside of the candle is red as well. Either the real red candle or the, I say, green red candle are both red candles. this is how I will use the backtest as well. So let's say our entry will be the first real green candle, and this is it basically. So this is our entry. Then our stop loss will be at the recent swing low, and our risk reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. So let's take a look at an example. As you guys can see, the swing arm ATR is red here, it changes to green. The angle attack follow line changed to green as well. So both conditions are met. So the first and the second conditions are met. Now we are looking for a red candle. So here we have a red candle. Then we can see here the first real green candle that closed. So the candle closed in real green. We open our long position here, put our stop loss below the recent swing low. In this case, you can choose if you like to choose the recent swing low, which will be over here, or if this is for you too far away, you can also put your stop loss over here below the line where it changes from red or where it was red at the beginning. So these are the two steps where you can choose your stop loss. So either here or here. In this case, I will choose my stop loss over here, as here it would be too close for me, but this is your choice. And then we put our risk reward ratio to 1.5, move forward, and there we go. We are out. Let's put the text over here. So this is basically how a long trade works. So for a short trade, the rules are basically the same, but obviously in the opposite direction. So let's start with a short trade. So for a short trade, first we want the swing arm ATR. We want to have it in red, so over here. Then second, we want the angle attack follow line, the AAF. We want to have this in red as well. Third, the candle or the first real red candle. And this is where we will enter the trade. As you can see here as well, we have real red candles and we have red candles with a green box at the outside. So I will zoom in a little bit that you can see it better. Like here, there we have real red candles and here we have a green box at the outside. This you can use as well. So I like these candles because then I use them as a re-entry in a moving trend. So our stop loss will be above the recent swing high, and our risk reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. So it's basically exactly the same like a long trend, but obviously in the opposite direction. Let's put our strategy over here. And I will show you now a very good example. So as you can see, the swing arm ATR here changes from green to red. Let's move up. But the angle attack follow line is still in green. So we wait until the line changes to red. This is now the case. Then what we can see here is we have a red candle, but with a green box outside. Here we have our first candle, which is completely red, so our first real red candle. This candle close, we open our position here, put our stop loss above our recent swing high, which I choose as this one. Then we put our risk reward ratio to 1.5, move forward, and there we go, we hit it. So this is basically how the strategy is working. In my opinion, it's very simple. It is very great when you have a good trend. And I would say we will start now with the backtest. So the rules for my backtest are that I will risk 2% of my account each trade. So either I will lose 2% of my account when I hit the stop loss, or if I hit the take profit, I will make 3% on my account back with the risk reward ratio of 1.5. And I would say now we will start with the backtest. The backtest I will do with 100 trades, and let's see how it will work. So guys, as you can see, the results are now ready. And in my opinion, this result is just brilliant. The strategy is working very, very good. So as you can see, we had a total trades of 100. From these 100 trades, we had 80 wins and only 20 losses. And due to our risk reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 and an average loss of 2% and an average win of 3%, we managed to make 80 trades in the win. And from these 100 trades in total, we made 610% of profit. So we started with initially $100 and we made $610 as a profit. And the backtest time were 3.5 days. So within 3.5 days, we managed to get a 6x on our trading account, on our starting balance, which is, in my opinion, just great. It is an easy to follow trading strategy. I'm sure that we can optimize this strategy even more, and I will start to try to optimize the strategy way more. And if I have any update for you, I will let you know right away. And now I would like to get your opinion about this strategy. Is this a strategy that you would like to implement in your own trading day, or is it a strategy that you don't want to follow? Just let me know in the comment. And if you have a strategy that you want to get backtested from me, just let me know in the comments and write me your trading strategy idea, and then I will set it up, make a video about it, and let you know the result. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a like if you haven't done so far, subscribe to my channel, and then I would say we will see us at the next video in the next day. So see you soon, have a wonderful day, and goodbye.